Just need to go up, Just need to get up. Don't let our weights keep you down. Just keep up with this sound. Just keep going, and
I think that's enough. I think that's enough. It's way off the floor.
No.
That one's flat. Okay, let's have that handle off of it. You can leave the Poe in there.
So this thing,
Well, you pulled the Poe out of it. Now we gotta put the Poe back in.
First, put the.
But they're gonna make you crawl under the car and put the Poe back in.
it's stuck.
You gotta push that button. See that button?
I thought it was sometimes it's.
Just have a little ball there. Alright, this one's taking over.
Do you like how I'm doing it, Dad?
Come on, Kaylee. You're up.
I kept.
Don't lose the lug nuts.
So I'm taking these off.
Give them to me.
What's
Are
your
you
name?
tidy?
Tough as well.
You're Jimmy.
Lug nuts is not always according to that rule.
Whether it's determination. There. The reason I was able to
We'll
do
go
it,
sit with
I was
Garrett while y'all
thinking.
do this.
I was thinking of all the stuff I had accomplished over the years, and somehow it got easier, but
Wow.
it's still pretty hard though.
Here's one lug nut.
It was like the one that we have that spare. To keep that spare. Get it?
Yep.
Yeah, the spare.
That is why you don't panic.
Okay, I guess I learned a little of my lesson. I'm glad that I was able to get this done. So we can go home, have a nice time. We could stay up a little more late than we usually do.
No.
Aww. So what, we wasted our time. Hey, at least it got me a little pretty tired. Well, we could have a few minutes, then we'll go.
It's after like 3 a.m.
What? Is that true, Mom? Is she telling the correct time?
Yes, Elijah.
That's a question.
Yes, Elijah.
It's past 3 a.m.
Ándale, Kelly.
Okay.
It's 12.
Yeah, no, it's 3 something, Elijah.
It's 3 a.m. The devil's hour.
It's not really the devil's hour. They just fake it in those videos.
And your dad has been working all day long.
And it also helps. Did you see me cranking him like a music box I was? It was like a music box, but it was no sound, but it was lifting your car instead. My arms are pretty sore from that, but
By the way, what's this sticky plaque stuff on
Give it
it?
to me. Don't take it off.
I think it's grease.
Yep.
Is the grease supposed to help it?
Yeah, just do it.
Yes,
please.
it's supposed to keep it from rusting, like still. That's what old cars back in the day, they didn't put really good grease and it caused it to rust shut. Now you have to use WD-40 to get those lug nuts off so you can replace the tires. it back into its place. Put this flat in the original place. Not just control ourselves, just us until we can find
Give
a
it to me.
perfect place for it.
Okay, now tell Dad. The next step, Dad has to help. Honey,
Just take
get away from there,
this
Kayla.
time
Or
and
is
take
that
off
one
the
more?
tires.
Okay.
Unless you want me to turn it on.
One more.
Just one more. And then this bit. How old do you think this tire is?
I bet that tire's 20 years old.
It looks good for a 20-year-old tire. I might get us home, right?
You bet get it something.
If it doesn't, bruh, we're gonna have to be stuck in wherever we are. And I don't want to sleep in a car because that was the worst experience.
It was an adventure, Elijah. Attitude of gratitude. No matter what, at least you had that adventure.
Sometimes it's not really good for me. There's some adventures that I don't.
Okay, Elijah.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay, wait, probably two more. There.
Is it too tight?
It's just sometimes hard to get off. It just needs to work over time to ease.
Remember, we got to
itself.
wind that cable up in the back, guys.
Yeah.
Underneath
And
it's not
also,
wound up.
that you realize sometimes, like, both communities, like, they're arrested. Then when you give the oil, you just, like, let them run. And once it's, like, moving, at first it's hard for the engine to puff. Then it slowly eases out, right? That tire,
hand power.
the tire makes it looks like it never got done. Tires are tricky like that.
Garrett, bring me the other tire.
Okay.
How do you take this off?
Exactly.
I bet this tire hasn't been used once.
Whoa, Dad, feel this. It popped right here, like it got sliced.
Really?
Oh.
See? It got
Dang. There's a blowout.
Let me see.
got sliced.
Oh, wow. That looks bad. It wasn't the brake done? Hold on, Garrett. Do you want to check first?
Well, I'm
I
gonna-
don't have a light. Mine's on video.
Had a blowout.
That's weird, Don, the way it's sliced.
Right here at the Toyota. Give me a jackhammer, man.
Hey, Dad. Did you have to ever do this to cars when you used to own other cars, Dad? Did you ever do this to them? Replace their tires? Tires when it got like deflated? I'm glad that we had that 20-year-old tire. If we got rid of it sooner, that could have been bad. Because we could have not.
I want it.
Just sit down. Speak.
My arms are worn out, bro. After all that crank. Yeah, it's pretty tiring. I hope when I do that loosening turning, I bet it'll be like so loose and my arms will be be a little easy on themselves. Just get it done. Get that card they need fixed.
Okay, when you do this one, look, Elijah. When you do this, you gotta do, say this one, and then you gotta do the opposite one. Do that one, and then you gotta do the opposite. Do that one, and then you gotta do the opposite.
Do the whoa.
Come here, Elijah.
Dad, can you explain to me this tomorrow? I'm kind of
No, explain it to you tomorrow.
Well, what if I'm tired?
Other way, Cody.
Sorry.
And now you're tight.
How you want to loosen it? Yeah, like how she's doing.
Now go to the bottom, okay? It's a good thing we weren't going 70 miles an hour down the interstate, because that was a blowout.
Well, the lady said it sounded like a gunshot when we passed the front door.
And I was the first one to realize it. I heard like something scraping, and I was like, "What is going on?" And you parked, and we looked at it, and we saw that tire. It was like cut something, or it got cut. What?
Maybe something.
These rocks could be the culprit.
Where's my plastic cover?
Your Chevrolet?
We don't need
Keep
no
going.
plastic covers. All we need is to go home. We just need to go home.
Next one, it's just
Pushing me to my limits.
That is a good thing, Kelly. You know that, right?
Okay. No.
Ready for Gary to help you?
No.
Gary had to try it this time. You need to do smart. Keep walking around with a hammer.
He did some work.
What?
Lifting this tire, Dad.
Okay.
I'm glad that instead of the car's still okay too. That's our only way to transportation around here. Oh, you had a few other cars, but they're not working right now. And George's, remember that time with George's doors?
I thought you already did that. She's lost. There you go.
Stuck.
Are you sure you didn't do that one already?
Well, you're going to have to do them all. When you tighten them, you got to go around and tighten them.
Kelly, I can help.
So I do as much as you can.
Oh, can you do it? I think, just in case if actually.
Next.
Wait, you gotta make sure.
You're gonna fall.
And poke your eye
You need
out.
to be careful. Okay, next. Okay, next. Up.
Up. Pulled it off.
How did you pull it off?
Like I was in a certain position, like I was like this, and then I went like that. She's so strong.
I think it's time for Dad to check your work.
Okay, Dad. We're back.
So tired, bro.
Not a granny, but acting like a granny. I'm hungry. I'm gonna go there.
Which way are we going, Kevin?
This way.
What time is it now?
So I did a pretty good job.
You did a great job.
Oh,
You were strong.
I tight, really tight, Dad,
Have to make sure they're tight.
so they don't fall off.
I
I
did
Yeah.
hope we have enough time.
Stick that thing back in the jack.
Elijah.
Elijah, stick that back in the... No. This part goes inside the jack.
Be careful. Don't get your head under the car.
Yeah, it's okay. Now you got the tire. It ain't gonna fall down. Ain't gonna fall down with the tire.
Still, it's scary.
Is it in there?
No, it doesn't want to go.
Kaylee, call him there. Stick that in the hole.
And make sure not to stay there too long. I might want to try. There you go.
Guys, just a daydreaming.
Yeah,
I wonder how many
yeah,
world
please.
things he's solving in
Hey,
his
stop! No, we're not getting this.
Turn it around, Kaylee. Put that piece on
Okay,
the outside.
that's enough.
She won't let me do it.
That's Elijah's part.
Stop.
Kelly, you already did the tire. That's Elijah's part.
So do I roll this tire out?
Yes.
Can we put it inside so when we take it
Put
to
it
a
in the back of the car. So when you take it to Walmart,
yeah, they'll reuse.
Wait, we have to put this on.
no, we're not gonna put that on.
Why?
Throw in the
Put
back.
that in the car.
Put it on the wrong way. But it's okay.
Take it off.
It sounded.
Is it going down?
Yeah,
Is it easier? It's easier.
yeah, it's getting a little easier. That's easy.
How did this happen?
Huh?
We don't know.
It just happened. It just doesn't want to go
This
there.
way, Kaylee.
It feels like it's getting easier, but it
That tire still has. Look at all that tread left on it.
What is tread?
It's how much rubber.
I'm
Yeah.
stuck.
It almost looks slashed. Look at that.
It's like someone slashed it.
Don't make it worse, Kelly.
Or something. Or someone.
We're gonna take it.
Do I put this back on?
No, it goes
Put in the back of the
inside.
car.
Put it in the back.
When we put the new tire on, we put that on.
Did we put this on that?
We reuse the rim, right?
Yes.
Come on, crank it fast, Elijah.
So we can all go home? Okay.
Are you cranking the same way you was a while ago? You going?
Yeah.
Sure you're not going up?
Sorry. I'm making sure I am not going up. It's easy. Look. Look, Dad.
Okay, we'll crank it fast.
Yeah. Oh. Well, I could do it.
Dad, look. I'm in my little floaty boat. What should I use? Well, we spent basically
All nine.
all night. Like, legitimately from 1 to 12, actually to like 1 to 4. That's a little longer, but you know.
You push the little ball down, Elijah.
I'm trying.
You need help?
Yeah, I just go
couldn't see
in
my
it.
hand.
Bro, I'm tired of these
They need
contractions.
help.
Really? Now?
Oh
There
my.
you go. Watch out, Kaylee. Get your head back.
Oh, it's coming down now. It just needed to die. Good old chump.
I will be on whatever this thing is.
I just hope that this doesn't take too long. I'm spinning as fast as I can, if you're wondering. And
You know what the true blessing was? What would I have done if that had happened and you weren't with me?
I hope this.
Poke that phone where it says Dawn.
Yeah, just like hold up like that.
Okay, see if you can get the jack out now.
No, not yet.
I think you pull it out now.
Mm-hmm.
Hold up. Just big.
It sounds like it's just already all the way down.
No, it's just. I'm seeing
still
it
has
going
some
down
time.
more.
I can pump.
Yeah, I got it. Oh, that was long.
Alright, now we gotta get this cable up. Come on, Elijah, over here.
I don't hear that. I said here.
Hey, no yelling.
I was saying here, but he didn't end.
He didn't hear you. That doesn't mean.
Yeah, but I have to be louder.
This picks off. We'll pull on it. Try again. Just try again. Just turn it up. You see.
It's not working.
This way, Kevin.
What? Look at the words. Future's not good. I'm just worried.
Okay, one job is done.
We still need to pull up the cables, babe.
Probably rain router, so. What? It probably caught rainwater in it.
That's enough, Kaylee.